Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about not related to the technical, but I will discuss about some of my personal experience about how I started this Oracle DBA training. When I was a kid or when I was in the school time, from that time itself, I would like to teach to the other people. That was my passion basically. So if I know something and if someone is looking for that, then on that time I was the one who was very passionate to tell. Like there were in the engineering time, I still remember that there were a lot of people, a lot of my friends, they were coming back to my place and they were asking, can you please describe this concept to me so that we can write something on the next day to the paper. So initially no one was interested to learn, and don't consider that I was a topper or something like that in my engineering time. I was also a kind of normal person, not good, not bad, okay where I was getting passed. And that time also, when the my colleagues were coming back to me and asking for some of the concept, I was the one like who used to tell them, okay, this is how it is, because my training is, my teaching skill was kind of good. That skill set I got it from my school time itself. So once I started my career as a Oracle DBA, and I feel like, okay, now I'm much confident with this technology, there was somewhere I started like, okay, now it's a time to start our DBA training. So I got one person from Dubai location where I charge very minimal fees. So I have given a very good training and he gave me a very good feedback also. Now he's working as a Oracle DBA, and then gradually this training part related to the Oracle DBA, the number of students and everyone got, now day by days, when I'm getting a much good response from the number of students, now things are going really good, and there are many people, those who got place under my guidance as a Oracle DBA. And this is where right now I am having. So we have a 7,000 plus subscriber right now all over the world. All are working, all those who are looking for Oracle DBA future career, and everyone is there who are learning something from my channel. And that is why I'm getting a very good response, very good feedback from the different students. So it's not like all the people have joined my classes. There are many people, those who are preparing from my YouTube channel and getting placed, and that kind of responses I'm getting. So I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from tomorrow. If you are interested, you can definitely reach out to me. All my contact details and everything are there in the description section. The training will be really completely real time, where you will have a chance to learn about the Oracle Core DBA concept. Apart from the shell scripting, ASM, performance tuning is there, introduction to the OEM, resume preparation and mock interview, what type of questions will be there in the when you really appear for the Oracle DBA. So don't hesitate to call me or reach me, and I know this is the best platform where you can start your Oracle DBA career. So thank you so much for following me, guys. You can, like, there are many people, okay? So thank you so much for following me, and please do like, subscribe and share the channel, and see you again with the next video with something new which you will like it definitely. Thank you.